Dear students, in this lecture video, we studied about the introduction to gas insulated substation and advantages and economics of the gas insulated substation. This topic comes under the continuation of substations in Module 4. First, we studied about the introduction to gas insulated substation. The abbreviation of gas insulation substation is GIS. Abbreviation is very important. Because some books or some question paper setting, they are mentioning the abbreviation only. So, you know both words as well as the abbreviation. The gas insulated substation uses a superior dielectric gas or the SF6 sulfur hexafluoride. That means at moderate pressure for face to face or face to ground insulation. For that purpose only we are using gas insulated. The name itself is that insulated. What insulation? Face to face insulation, face to ground insulation. Which one is used? Gas. Gas means that is superior dielectric gas. SF6 only is used as a gas which is used for face to face insulation or face to ground insulation. The space between the conductor and the enclosure is filled with SF6 gas under moderator pressure. This is the very important. So the compact size assembly of this gas insulator is compact only, and then multi-component assembly also. And then the gas insulated substation is enclosed in a ground metallic housing. The continuation of introduction to gas insulated substations. The next point is the SF6 gas is nothing but the primary insulating medium. Works as a primary insulating medium. The SF6 gas is nothing but the non-toxic gas, colorless gas, non-inflammable gas, and then it is chemically stable only. This is the advantage or the property of the SF6 gas. And then the gas insulated substation is applicable for the voltage rating of 72.5 kV, 145 kV, 300 kV, 400 kV and above. This is the voltage rating of the gas insulated substation. What are the equipments used in the gas insulated substation is circuit breaker, bus bar, isolator, load break switches, current transformers, voltage transformers or potential transformers, earthing switches, etc. That means used in the gas insulated substations. Okay, but all the things are housed in metal enclosed module filled with SF6 gas. This is very important. Now see what is the need of, that means gas insulated substation. So the first one is non-availability of sufficient space. And we already seen how many equipments we are using. All are is housed in the metal enclosed only with the SF6 gas. So therefore the non-availability of sufficient space where it is available, where you have to use the gas insulated substation. Okay, and then the difficult climatic condition at sites. Wherever the climatic condition is difficult, under such situation we have to use the gas insulated substation. And then urban site, that means high building wherever placed, then we can use the gas insulated substation. And then high altitudes. Okay, so these are the requirement of the gas insulated substation. So the non-availability of sufficient phases happen mean you can use gas insulated. Difficulty climatic conditions is there mean you can use gas insulated substation compared to other type of substation. Urban site or high building placed places only you can use gas insulated. And then high altitudes wherever is there you can use the gas insulated substation. This is the need for gas insulated substation. Now, what are the components used in the gas insulated substation? Bus bar, you know the function. Circuit breaker, you know the function. Disconnector, you know the function. Earthing switch, current transformer, voltage transformer or potential transformer, both are same. Feeder, disconnector, feeder earthing switch, feeder earthing switch, lightning arrestor for lightning protection, cable termination, and then control panel. These are the important components which are used in the gas insulated substation. Next, we studied about the advantages and disadvantages of gas insulated substation. What are the advantages? Occupy very less space compared to ordinary substation, either indoor or outdoor. You can compare. Mean the gas insulated substation, that means occupies very less space. Second is most reliable, that means compared to air insulated substation. The air insulated substation abbreviation AIS. AIS is nothing but the air insulated substation. And then free maintenance. This is the advantages of gas insulated substation. What is the disadvantages? High cost, because SF6 gas only is used, okay, so therefore the cost is high. Then excessive damage in case of internal fault, this is also another disadvantages. Then we are using SF6 gases, so therefore which causes ozone layer depletion and global warming, so therefore this is also disadvantages of gas insulated substation. Then next we studied about the economics of gas insulated substations. The equipment cost of the gas insulated substation is higher than the air insulated substation, that is AIS, because due to the grounded metal enclosure. Because the gas insulated substation, all the equipment, that means is enclosed with metal enclosure only, okay, with the SF6 gas also, so therefore cost is higher compared to air insulated substation. And then the provision of linear carrier communication, LCC means linear, that means linear, and that is the carrier communication we are used. And then high degree of factory assembly. Due to these three factors, okay, that the equipment cost of the GIS is higher than the air insulated substation. The another thing, the gas insulated substation is less expensive compared to air insulated substation. This is the another advantages of gas insulated substation. And then the site development cost. Thus, in economics mean we only consider the cost only, okay, we never consider the other factors. You see, the gas insulated substation equipment cost is high, but that means the installation cost is less, and then the site development cost is lower. Okay, this is the economics of the gas insulated substation. Okay, how can we say we can compare with the air insulated substation? Then only we are saying the gas insulated substation is economic. First one is equipment cost is high, installation cost is less, site development cost is low. Then we studied the cost comparison. Okay, cost comparison, that means in the early days, that is the gas insulated substation project, the total installed cost, that means okay, is equal to air insulated substation. Okay, in the early days, not now, in the early days you can compare gas insulated substation and air insulated substation. Both are, that means the total installed cost is same for that means 345 kV substation installation. But for higher voltages, the gas insulated substation that means was expected to cost less than the air insulated substation only. The cost of air insulated substation are reduced by technical and manufacturing advances over the last 30 years. But in the gas, that means insulated substation equipment has not shown any cost reduction until very recently. Here cost reduction is not there, but air insulated substation la we can some technical manufacturing advance we have to reduce the cost. But that the gas insulated substation equipment that means there is no cost reduction until very recent also. Currently the cost of that is gas insulated substation reduced by integrating functions. Okay, so integrating function means that the current transformer and the potential transformer of the gas insulated substation replaced by the less expensive sensor, then we can reduce the cost of the gas insulated substation. Instead of current transformer and voltage transformer, we can use the less expensive sensors. We can that means the cost of the gas insulated substation reduced. Dear student, okay, the economics of gas insulated power system. The first one is the equipment cost is high, installation cost is less, site development cost is low, and then the total installed cost is equal to air insulated substation. Okay, but very recently there is no technique used to reduce the cost for gas insulated substation. But currently that means instead of current transformer and voltage transformer, the both are replaced by less expensive sensors, then the cost of the gas insulated substation reduced due to the integrating function only. Students, I hope that in this lecture video you understood the introduction to gas insulated substation, and then what is the working operation of the gas insulated substation, what is the need of gas insulated substation, then what is the components used in the gas insulated substations, and then the rating of the gas insulated substations, advantages and disadvantages of gas insulated substations, and then the economics means we can cost comparison between the gas insulated substation and air insulated substation. Thank you student for watching this video.